Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you had a great trading day yesterday. And before we go further, please hit the like button. Only takes 1 second to hit the like. And please share this channel with your friends and family. I would really appreciate that and help this channel grow. All right, so we'll go those who are new. There are two charts here. Right side chart is daily chart, which is long-term or swing trading chart. Left chart is only for day trading, only for today's trade. Okay. Red lines are resistance, green lines are support. So you can short resistance lines, red lines, and you can buy near support line. So let's review it how it is going right now. Let's go with cycle chart. This is SPX cycle chart. Focus on this yellow cycle. You can see we are bottoming here. That's what we got bottom a couple of days earlier, and now we are in this rising phase. You can see we are rising right now. Focus on this yellow cycle again on my cursor. You can see we are getting this rising phase until 9th and 10th of April. So we are now updating and we are going higher. Okay, so from here we're going to go a little bit higher, then we'll have a little bit more dip towards the end of April. So from now until mid-April, I'm looking for a nice bounce on S&P 500 and keep going higher slowly and surely. And this is daily chart. Let's go to MES here, which is this is futures, S&P 500 future, and you can see what's going on here. We are above this green line, and yesterday what happened, we were in the sell zone. And if you can see my video from yesterday, I was saying this is after I think a PPI release, sorry, Fed announcement that we will be cutting rates, massive pump near sell zone, and I was telling everybody this is where you should be selling, and look what happened. We got a drop after sell zone throughout the we were up very heavily pre-market, and I told everybody short at the open, and you can see nice gains. Whoever did it, same day expiry, same day options, you could have made easily 0.5% dump on SPX. That could be really nice profit for you. Now let's zoom in where we are today. We are near neutral zone. We don't do anything. We wait for it to go below 52.80 to buy and 53.19 above to sell. All right. So, and also let's look at quickly SPY. And let's see here. Now there is a gap which is not filled. This gap is around here, 520.5. So they can come to fill that gap. I think that's what they're planning to do. And then we can get a bounce. All right. Let's look at NASDAQ now, MNQ. And day trading chart, same story here. We were very, very overbought yesterday. Nice dump from sell zone. And I told that to my subscriber, and almost 1.2% dump. And now we are coming again going towards neutral zone. Still, I think we can go a little lower. 18,451 and below is the buy zone, and 18,660 and up is the sell zone. And if I look at triple Qs, you can see triple Q also had a gap here, which they want to fill around 444.41. So once they fill this gap, I think I'm expecting a bounce later on. All right. Let's look at Dow Jones. Same thing here, near sell zone. So Dow Jones has more opportunity to go down, but if SPX bottoms first, then it's going to help Dow Jones to go higher as well. But it's very close to sell zone, so expecting a little bit downwards move to the buy zone before it bounces. Russell 2000 also in the neutral zone. Let's go to daily chart as well. Buy below 2079, sell above 2106. All right, let's look at Tesla down pre-market, heavy down pre-market, something with like demand is slowing down and whatnot. There's a gap here, all right? There's a gap here around 163.89. They might want to fill that gap. We are very close to that gap. And this gap up happened when Tesla got 6% pump that day. But it's gonna probably fill this gap and then maybe bounce, all right? So keep that in mind in the buy zone short term. Apple is also in the buy zone short term. You can see nicely in the buy zone. Big rejection yesterday, but this is where you want to buy. You want to buy it in the buy zone. Expecting a nice bounce on Apple pre-market, looking okay. Gold, let's see gold in the buy zone this morning, and I already sent a screenshot to my Discord group. By the way, guys, if you want to know about these buy sell zones, you can join my Discord. There's a subscribe link in the YouTube. Click there, subscribe to my channel, shoot me your ID on on Discord server, and I will add you to members only group where I share these buy sell zones every few hours. So that's going to help you keep your trades to the right direction. Okay. So in the buy zone and bouncing now, silver also was in the buy zone now bouncing. Crude oil, let's look at crude oil in the buy zone now bouncing from here in the middle neutral zone. Natural gas down 1.4%. There's a gap around 1.77. Looks like it wants to fill that. Second gap around 1.69. Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin crypto looking just touching buy zone. This is where you want to buy. You don't want to short here, guys. 64,000 is the buy zone. just touching there. Sell zone is above 67,343. Ethereum is also just touching the buy zone, 33.85, just very close to the buy zone. Okay, this is where you want to be buying. Sell zone is around 35.62. All right, Hang Seng Index, China, also in the buy zone, just very close to the buy zone. Should be looking to buy here. Let's keep moving. Copper in the buy zone. Palladium, coming from neutral zone to the buy zone, 979.74. Soybeans in the neutral zone. Sugar is in the sell zone. Wheat is also in the neutral zone. Corn is also in the neutral zone. All right, let's look at some of the gold miners. GDX in the neutral zone as well. Nice dump yesterday, but still in the neutral zone. Let's look at some of the big stocks. Google in the neutral zone. Netflix in the neutral zone. Amazon. All these tech stocks looks like they're in the neutral zone. Meta, Facebook near sell zone. Microsoft is also near sell zone. There's a gap which it wants to fill, 425.64. AVGO massive pump yesterday, and AVGO in the sell zone right now. And Shopify, let's look at Shopify. Just touching the buy zone pre-market, and again jumped to neutral zone. And let's look at Wix. Wix, here you go. You can see Wix came to a nice support area and bouncing now. Let's see if it can bounce. This could be a reversal candle. Let's see if it bounces. That's going to be bearish for stock market, but cycle chart SPX is telling me that we're going to have a bounce until mid-April. So, and it's a bull market. So after a gap fill, we should keep going higher and higher, and people will keep shorting. But be very careful. Don't blindly short, and make your decisions correctly. All right, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Please hit the like button on your way out, and I will see you later. Bye.